Ay, question to, ha?
Sige.
Do you have hatred on the Catholic Church?
It's a nice question, no? In terms of the Catholic Church, there is no hatred towards them. Although to the actions, what they did through our ancestors and throughout every country and civilization, it's not hatred eh. Siguro yung call for justice. Ako aminin ko din na we have members of Luntiang Agama secretly, but they are seminarian. And there are also a priest. Expose ang name, it is hindi man siya nagtuloy sa Catholic as a pare, but is still working within seminary. At natutuwa din ako, no? Although nagtataka na rin ako sa kanya, sabi ko, nako patay na. Nakalimutan niya na yung diwatang tumawag sa kanya. Pero ang pangalan kasi ng diwata niya is Kadaw Lasambat, Bulan Lasambat, no? Sambales deity or nakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan deity. Pero it was the reason why he was called by that diwata of the moon, no? Because he is a Marian devotee. Malaki ang pagmamahal niya kay Mama Mary. So even us, no, as a Filipino pagan, we could not hate the Catholic. The Catholic, we could, paano ba? Parang ano, no, parang plastic, pero paano ba? We could not hate the Catholic faith or the Catholic Church because of Mama Mary. Even me, especially me, lalo na ako, I could not hate Mama Mary because Mama Mary is Mayari. Did I tell you this about? Nasabi ko ba sa inyo na si Mayari ay si Mama Mary? Okay. Teka lang ha. Isulat natin. Nasusulat yan. Okay? Mayari. Kung babalik rin natin yan, di ba? Mayari. Baliktarin lang natin. Baliktarin natin yung ma, ri, at ya. Diba? Pagpalitan lang natin yung ya, ilagay natin sa dulo. So yung mayari is magiging Maria. No? So it was hidden. You know, yung paggawa ng magic square at mga ora-orasyon, ang sabi sa magic square or sa magic spells, no, the real name was hidden. So it was arranged. Kaya when we pray, di ko alam kung yung naturo ko yata sa iyo sa style ng Bathala, di ba? Nagawa tayo ng magic square. Sa akin din is may ganon. Pero nagamit ko siya as a chant of calling Maria. Mayari, Rimaya, Yarima. Mayari, Rimaya, Yarima. So if I chant that all along at kung i-decode ko ang lahat ng magic square na yon, makikita mo ang pangalang Emil, makikita mo yung Irayam, makikita mo rin ang pangalang Maria. So marami pang names. Kaya kung gagamitin ito, ano ba yung pangalang Malaon, gawin nyo siyang Malaon, tapos sunod-sunod pababa, tapos pag ganon, tapos ganon. Makikita nyo yung pangalan, iba pang mga pangalan. There are so many names involved na parang secret name na pwede mo siyang gamiting magic power. Kaya nga yung pangalang Alon di ba? Nakita natin yung pangalang Alon, Dayang Alon sa pangalang pangalan ni Malaon. Abatal, Lakan Abatal. It was from the word of Bathala. Lakay magbaya is plain. Ako is Apo Atman. Walang pangalan ng diwata. Mas maswerte kayo dahil kasi meron kayong pangalan ng diwata. Ewan ko, mahirap lang. Hindi ko lang alam bakit wala akong pangalan ng diwata. Bakit nga ba Lakay?
Baka masasabihin pa si Mark.
Go ahead, Mark.
Baka may question pa siya.
Yun lang po. Because, it's been hidden talaga ba for me. Thank you, Rev. Nag-enlighten ka. Kay yun talaga, bakit ako naging I turned to Catholic to Wiccan because of that. Parang injustice ba?
There is injustice. Although, ito tandaan mo sa Corellian tradition. And welcome pala si kay Ellen because she is a former
Ay,
outer court of the Corellian tradition. Ang turo kasi sa atin sa, especially, di ba nag-aaral ako ng third degree, marami kasi ngayon na Wicca, they turn into Wicca because they are rebelling against the Catholic Church. At mapapansin din natin the reason why people from Catholic Church is the real church. No, ayoko magsabi. Pero kung historically, Catholic Church is the real church of Jesus Christ. So, the Catholic Church is the real church of Jesus Christ. And even the Holy Bible was kept by the Catholic Church. Yung mga bagong churches like the Protestant, yung Lutheran Church, they don't hold any scriptures from the apostles of Jesus Christ. Even the bones and the body, yung mga relics ng mga santo, is Catholic Church ang nangangalaga. So how can we hate the Catholic Church? Ang talagang may galit sa Catholic Church is mga Protestante or yung mga Protestant, mga born-again Christians. Pero the pagans love the Catholic Church. They easily blend into the teaching. Pit Senior, di ba? Yung Santo Niño. It was Bathala, the young Bathala. So, madali nila. Even si Mama Mary. At alam nyo ba, ito pa ang chismis. No? Ito pa ang isang chismis. If you go here in Manila, naririnig niyo ba yung pangalang Ermita? Lugar na Ermita? And that place, ay nagtayo sila ng Lady of Ermita Church. Alam nyo ang history nun? So bago daw dumating ang mga Kastila, yung birhen ng Ermita was there already. Nandun na daw sa isang, dahil kasi Manila Bay, tapos sa bahagi ng isang Manila Bay is parang may kubo. At nakita nila yung mga katutubo na negro, na maitim, na nagsasamba sila, na binibigyan nila ng sampaghita yung birhen. Then later on, itinayuan nila ng simbahan at ginawang Katoliko yung rebulto ng Lady of Ermita. But the thing is, kung ngayon is Lady of Ermita, it's Mama Mary, but by that time before the Spaniards claimed that idol, sino yun? Alam nyo kung sino? Hindi. Sabihin ko na. It was Amansinaya, goddess of the sea. Ito. So, ibig sabihin, yung counterpart ni Bathala and all the sailors, kaya lahat ng mga mandaragat, di ba, anong tawag doon, mga marinero, dahil kasi doon yung applyan malapit sa National Library, ano pa ba, National Library, National Historical, yung Historical Society ba yun, doon, tapos ano pa bang malapit na government agency, yung Manila Museum, National Museum, it was there. So it was under the guidance of Amansinaya and the Lady of Ermita. Kaya yung mga pagan gods natin, mga diwata natin, it blend in to the Catholic saints. Even yung sa Laguna, merong tinatawag na Inang Puong Bato. Pero meron din diwata ng pangalan Pon Bato. Babae siya, diwata ng mga bato. Pero ginawa siyang Inang Puong Bato because it gives miracle. Diba? Si Ananggolay, diwatang Ananggolay, malapit sa Malacanang nakatira yon. Malacanang Palace. Dahil kasi doon nakatira or malapit sa Malacanang yung chapel ni Saint Jude, Saint of Lost Teen. But Ananggolay was the diwata of lost teen. Kung merong nawawala sa inyo, kung gusto nyo pumasa sa exams or magkaroon ng jowa at magkaroon ng trabaho, ganun din. There are many myths and folk tales about how this santo became a patron saint, but originally it has pagan origin among us. Kulang lang tayo sa resources, kulang lang tayo sa panahon, ngayon kulang pati sa lakas para puntahan yon. Pero I really like to make a documentary or vlog about those places. Parang honoring yung ating culture. So we never hate the Catholic Church, but we cry for justice. Kasi nga tulad ng nasabi ko, ang Katoliko sa atin no problem sila, pero pagdating sa kanila probably big issue. Kasi katulad ng sinabi ko nga, 'di ba? Pinagbabawalan ako ng Archdiocese of Manila through Office of Exorcism to teach tawas. Ano ba problema nila sa akin? Wala naman akong problema sa kanila. Bakit may problema sila sa pagtuturo ng tawas?